Now let's go through the software on the color touchscreen display. Located at the top of the screen, there are three icons: the Home icon, the Tools icon, and the Information icon. On the main screen, you will notice that some buttons are green. Green is the indicator that something has been selective and is active. M and R stands for Manual Mode and Regulated Mode. Under Regulated, we have the stitches per inch, which can be increased or decreased. Underneath, we have two regulated modes, Precision and Cruise. In Precision mode, the needle stops moving when the machine stops moving, for example, in ruler work. In Cruise, when you stop moving the machine, the needle continues at a slow, idle speed until you're ready to stitch again, for example, when micro quilting or doing corners. Now let's select Manual mode. Under Manual mode, we have stitches per minute, which can be increased or decreased. One very neat option is that we can save custom speed settings in two different folders. Over here we have needle up and down, and we have our light button. Now we're going to select the Machine Tools or Setting icon. Here we find there are 6 different icons. The top one opens an on-screen calculator, just a normal calculator to calculate different things. The second button opens the alarm screen. This alarm screen will tell us if we're going too fast and also gives us a timer if we only need to quilt in a certain allotted amount of time. This icon is for the Diagnostic Screen. This offers the retailer all the information needed for tech support. This icon is the timer screen. Per project, I can know how long I have been quilting on the top part and how many stitches I have stitched per project. These, of course, can be reset as you start a new project. And lastly, we have the Update screen. Here, a USB is used on this side of the display and updates the software when necessary. Now let's select the Information screen. On the top part, we have an odometer. This does not reset as it tells us how many stitches have been stitched by this machine. And the bottom part is the firmware numbers and updates that have been done to this machine.